Hi, it's Ash from Rally Raid, and we're going to show you the DMD OBD installation on our CRF300L. This will unlock some extra diagnostics features that you'll be able to show in your display on your DMD device. It can be a bit more useful when you're out on the trails. If you purchase the OBD scanner from us, we do include the Euro 5 adapter as standard. This will allow you to connect into the diagnostics port. So the first step is to remove the seat. We do have our rear rack fitted on this bike, but the mounts are exactly the same. Next up is the left-hand side panel. Once the lower bolt and the pop rivet has been removed, you can just pry the side panel away, and this will expose the diagnostics connector as shown here. At this point you want to turn your ignition on. This will give power to your OBD sensor, and then we're going across to the settings, Bluetooth devices, and click pair new device. Pressing the button on the bottom left of the OBD scanner will make it visible to other devices. This will then show up on your DMD device, and you simply click on it and then press pair. Device is now connected, and you can go back over to your DMD app. So under the dashboard mode, just above this Bluetooth symbol, you can click on the settings, and this will allow you to select the OBD device that you want DMD to use. Clicking this option will allow your battery level to be displayed via the OBD device. As we can see, the engine temperature, now the battery voltage is showing. So we're just starting the bike up. Excuse the vibrations, the camera was resting on the bike at the time. You can see RPM showing. Moving across to the map mode, you can select any of the widgets down the right hand side. And if you scroll up, you'll see various sensors that can be used from the OBD, such as your RPM, throttle position, your speed. So hopefully this guide was enough to get you started with your OBD sensor. If there are any other features or readouts you would like to see from it, be sure to comment them below, as the DMD team are very active with their updates and they will probably be able to add them in the future. But for now, thank you very much for watching.